To add your game schedule to DragonFly, log in and select Game Schedules in the left side menu. Then click the Create Game button in the top right corner of your screen. Fill in the fields to input basic information about your game. Once you select your sport, each team for that sport at your school will appear, like varsity and JV. This gives you the opportunity to schedule several games if your sport will be competing at multiple levels. Be sure to choose the checkbox and input the game time for every team that will be competing. Click the Add to Schedule button, and the games will be saved as you return to the main game schedule page. If you're in a hurry, you can always use the Quick Add feature at the top of the page to add a single game. To view your team's games, click on the search bar and select Sports from the drop-down menu, then select your sport from the list. If you see a game highlighted in yellow on your schedule, this means another school has added a game with you to their schedule. When this happens, you don't have to manually add that game to your schedule too. Instead, just verify that the details are correct, then click on the yellow icon to select the team that will be competing from the drop-down menu.